In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team on Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks and collaborating with others. And one of the best ways to leverage its power is by creating and managing a team. So let's get started with setting up your team on Trello. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is the main landing page where you can access all of Trello's features. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, you can log in using your existing credentials. Trello conveniently allows you to log in using your email, or you can use your Google account, which can save time and make logging in easier. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Trello dashboard. Here, locate your account icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options. What we're interested in is the Create Workspace option. Click on it, and this will initiate the creation process for your team's workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to name your workspace. Consider the team's purpose and choose a name that everyone will instantly recognize and relate to. Moving forward, you'll also need to choose the type of workspace you want to create. Trello offers several options like business or personal, so pick the one that aligns best with your goals. Additionally, adding a description to your workspace is optional, but can be incredibly useful, especially for new team members to understand what the workspace is aimed at achieving. Once you have filled out the necessary details, click on the Continue button. Now comes the collaborative part, inviting your team members. You can invite members by entering their email addresses or their Trello usernames. When you type in their contact information, their names will usually pop up and you can select them to send an invite. After selecting your team members, press Invite to Workspace. If at any point you want to add more members, you can click on Invite Workspace Members and follow a similar process. Plus, there's an option to create a shareable link. Simply click on Create Link and then copy link to distribute it via email or a message to those you want to invite. As a reminder, you can also type the new member's email to add them, then click on their name as it appears to ensure accuracy, and finally press Send Invite to complete the process. And there you have it, a successfully created Trello team with invited members ready to collaborate on your projects. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to take full advantage of Trello's collaborative features. Happy collaborating!